Game. Para sa Barako, they have Hickerson, Ronald Tubid, Willie Miller, Tiny Siegel, and Doug Kramer. Good defense by Ray Guevara. Guevara, bounce pass to Gade. Here's Linganay. And Bo Perosol is telling his players, okay, easy lang, no need to hurry. Here's to Gade for three. Yung mga teammates si Lordy, gusto nila makaisa si Lordy kasi pwede magtuloy-tuloy.
Yeah, and the coaching staff of Powerade were all saying sana na-shoot na lang si Danny Siegel pa nakashoot ngayon ng 3.
18 points for Dynamite Danny Siegel and Barako within striking distance here. Here's Nick Velasco to Sneed, and Sneed will miss. Doug Kramer with 11 rebounds tonight.
Now this is 5 against 4, and Sneed's now just coming down on defense.
Double team on Hickerson. Nowhere to go. Pasa kay Siegel. Siegel fires and scores.
Oh, Danny's keeping the Barako Bull alive at this junction.
In the last 2 games, so he already has 20 points tonight. Guevara for 3. Yes, sir! That's a 2. A long 2-pointer para kay Ray Guevara.
Inside the court, Miko.
Yes, he is. Mintis si Dynamite. Here's Lordy. Linganay. Linganay to Guevara. Huli ni Hickerson, but it will stay with Powerade.
Mag-shift kagad ng depensa yung Powerade. Hindi kayang gawin ng mga teams na hindi veterano or yung hindi nasubok or walang teamwork.
Tugade. Linganay. Shot clock down to 8. Powerade, lamang ng 6. They go to Sneed. Sneed, pasa. Van Landingham. Again!
That was a contested 3-point shot by Landingham and not getting penetrated upon in their zone defense.
Tubid connects. So, sagutan. Sagutan ng puntos dito sa second half.
Yeah, pero
Sneed. He can score. He can also facilitate. Poposte. Pinasa. Linganay for 3. Yes, sir!
there was no hesitation on Linganay's side that time, Miko.
Nawa ni Gary dun sa halftime sabi niya, okay, ipamamahagi ko aking kapangyarihan sa inyong lahat. Sean Anthony, Van Landingham, and that play was broken up by both Linganay and Van Landingham. I mean, how huge would it be, Joe, for Powerade to hold on to this and possibly win this game without Gary?
Are you asking me how they're gonna do it?
No, I mean, how huge will that be?
It's huge. Here, they just will have to win this game now. Hold on and win this game.
Oh, nice pass to Gade, to Linganay.
And tomorrow's game is just beside the point right now. And for them just to get over this game and win this.
And Sneed says, go, go, go. Sneed to Gade, Linganay, and Powerade lamang, 89-78. So the Powerade Tigers are trying to do this without their number 1 scorer. Pero yung Barako naman, naghaharap ng paraan para makahabol dito.
And more of penetration and dump passes because now they're really collapsing on the ball very well. So Hickerson did the right play on that instance, dropping off to a guy who's really wide open.
Sneed against Kramer. Sneed, high looper, sobra. Dito mamasa rin yung tira ni Sneed.
Another pass by Hickerson. Second time in a row.
Doug Kramer finishes the play.
Passive in their game and not being aggressive. And just so, parang iniingatan mo na yung lamang mo. Yun ang problema mo ngayon dito.
Siegel on the move! Sobra yung kanya layup. Bola na kay Hickerson. Pasa, Tubid. Tubid. Where's he going? They'll reset. Oh, Tubid locates Danny Siegel. Alley-oop. No. Siegel. No.
Coach Bo Perosol was ready to call a timeout if they made that basket.
Miller, tinapik yung pasa ni Lordy Tugade, and that's a foul near the midcourt line mula kay Josh Van Landingham. Oh, here's Hickerson against Van Landingham. Hickerson still has the ball.
Bigaling mautak siya maglaro.
Pasa kay Tubid, shot clock down to 8, turnover. And you know,
Pagbalik dito, baka 2 guard to or a wing.
Sneed attacks, floater, the gentle touch of Omar Sneed, 22 points. Danny Seagull has been playing well tonight. Samantala, lamang pa rin ang Powerade, 91-82. Sneed has been the facilitator for the Tigers. Here's Casio, they swing into Van Landingham. Back inside, Sneed, twirls, Sneed, misses. And last touch on Sean Anthony.
So ito namang
Tubid. Pasa, Miller. Shot clock down to 12. Ooh, 3 free throws para kay Willie Miller. So 58 remaining in this do or die ball game. Lamang ang Powerade, 91-82.
Siguro kailangan lang na mag-step up ngayon. Wala ako. Mananalo kami, kaya-kaya na yun.
So Gary is stuck. Now he's stuck in the locker room. Can no longer return.
Still
Oh
wants
my
to come
gosh,
back.
is Gary going back? He's being retaped right now dyan sa locker room ng Powerade. So we pa-tape na siya para bukas.
I will not be surprised because yun na nga na it's surprising na umalis siya na ang ganda naman ng laro niya ng first quarter. Siguro yung naapakan niya yung paa ni Tubid kanina on that incursion dun sa first
tama,
quarter.
tama.
I
Yeah.
think that aggravated his front sprain. Tawag nito is a front sprain, hindi yung sprain sa gilid ng paa.
6-point game for the Powerade Tigers. Van Landingham, Sneed, Van Landingham,
pass.
and Josh
Nice
Van
pass.
Landingham.
And that's his 8th assist right now. 2 shy of a triple-double.
Powerade. Aliado laban kay Anthony. Aliado fakes, fires 2 free throws para kay Don Aliado.
That's his fourth.
Ano ang gagawin ng Barako dito para makahabol?
I think they're not 4 minutes to go. They're not really panicking, and
And
parang,
there's no need to panic.
and if you see the guys panicking, they would actually want to go to the import right away. But watching Barako right now, they still want to go to the other guys. Like even Aliado's getting the ball in this situation.
4-12 remaining in this do or die game. Bola na kay Sneed. And Sneed working on a possible triple-double. Here's Van Landingham. Van Landingham fires. Wala. Bola pa rin ng Powerade. Sneed. Fires. It's Sneed with 24 points.
And in that situation, Willie was the one who was guarding Sneed at the block. And alam ko na may help side sila dun sa situation na yun. Yun na naman yung bilis ng kamay ni Sneed. Oh.
Casio. Earlier you saw Gary. Nakasilip siya dun sa may south gate. Pinapanood niya ito from a distance. He does not want to sit on the bench. Here's Van Landingham. Rebound, Miller. Hickerson. May oras pa kaya ang Barako dito. Hickerson. Pasa. Kramer. And Kramer will score. This is just a
Thought like in this kind of situation, you don't want to go for the home run shot. Yung tinatawag na home run shot na parang knockout shot. Not yet. Not yet time for that. Kaya dito mga 2 points muna dito.
Oh, lucky break. That's a lucky break para sa Powerade.
It's all about hustle dito kay Sean Anthony, and that's the reason why Coach Bo loves to play this guy. He wants to leave this guy on the floor because you will always have a chance.
JV, pasa, Sneed, naagaw, Willie. Willie nagmamadali, nangunguna, Willie Miller. Oh, fouled, a hard foul by Josh Van Landingham. Willie, pasok yung kanyang unang free throw. Second free throw on the way. Oh, mintis ang pangalawa. So it's a 6-point game at palapit na tayo sa last 2 minutes of the fourth and final quarter.
Kung ikaw yung Powerade, gusto mo bumilis yung time. Ikaw naman yung Barako Ball, gusto mo naman na mas mabagal yung time.
Sneed. Anthony. Hesitation move. Pasa niya, napunta kay Van Landingham. Here's JV. He goes right. Casio pulls up. No go. Matulis. And another offensive rebound for the Powerade Tigers.
Well, Omar Snead needs to get off the key.
Oh, a weird play as JV Casio connects. And Barako is saying that dapat 3 seconds si Snead.
How crazy is that play?
And the entire Barako coaching staff is on the floor. Junel Baculi, hindi siya makapaniwala na walang 3-second violation kay Snead all throughout that play.
But if I was Omar Snead also, I said I wanted to get off the key, pero si Don Aliado was
Nakaharang.
Hinaharangan siya ni Don Aliado. So what? And now watching here,
There's si Snead. Bagsak dun sa the paint, the shaded lane.
and then Aliado
there's Don Aliado.
intentionally wanted to just kind of corral him. And a smart part for JV Casio also recognizing that, it's more than 3 seconds, obviously. So tinira na lang ni JV and he made the basket.
And they were all, double teaming Snead while he was sitting on the floor. That was a weird play for both teams. Action continues. Willie Miller misses a 3. But Landingham secures the ball. Knockout game. Snead. Pasa. Pitin yung reverse layup ni Van Landingham and extra motion din mula kay Don Aliado.
Everyone's getting really testy over here.
Very steady hands mula kay Don Aliado. Josh Van Landingham. Siya na yung nag-ambag ng mga 3-pointers dito in the absence of Gary David in the second half. Second free throw, pasok pa rin para kay Don Aliado. This is just a 6-point game. 1:20 remaining in the fourth. Snead, back to Casio. Who will take that big shot? Who will make that big decision para sa Powerade?
We're right here, right now. It has to be the import or JV Casio.
And there's JV and he missed it. And that'll be last touch on Ray Guevara.
They're gonna review that. And in this kind of situation, there's like a JV Casio.
Doug Kramer bothered that shot. Yun yung muling tapikan.
That's kind of like 50-50 to me. And I will not be surprised if this is good.
Anthony. So bagong shot clock para sa Powerade. Lamang sila ng 6. The last thing they want to do is hurry right now. They're up by 6.
For me, this is the right play, Miko.
Here's Snead. Snead on the move. Pasa. Guevara. Shot clock down to 6. Snead fires a 3. And another offensive rebound for the Powerade Tigers.
That should kill Baraka right there. Giving up another offensive rebound for the Powerade.
Can Powerade do the unthinkable and win a knockout game without El Granada, Gary David? 18 seconds remaining. Here's Guevara for 3. Rebound, Hickerson. Magbabadali ang Barako dito. Almost a steal. Hickerson who go all the way. And only 6 seconds remaining here. And Barako will send Josh Van Landingham to the free throw line. Mark. Yeah.
To play tomorrow.
2 for 2 para kay Josh Van Landingham and Gary David and the Powerade Tigers. They'll play in another knockout game tomorrow night. Late dunk by Leroy Hickerson. And the final score, 99-95 para sa Powerade Tigers. So buhay pa.